Hello students, again we are here to discuss about some of the Java selection statements as we have studied about the basic programming, but here we will be discussing about how the flow of the control of program. As we know that Java statements are executed sequentially. Sequentially means one by one. First of all, first statement will be executed line 1, S1, S2 and S3. Line by line execution. That is known as sequential execution. And in the second case, you will be finding that on the basis of condition, if this condition is true, then S1 will be executed. If this condition is false, then S2 will be executed. And they are directed to a common point, that is S3. After executing, if condition T, this condition is true, then S1 is executed and it is directed to S3. If this condition is false, then it is directed to S2, then it is directed to S3. Then some of the statements will be skipped. In the third case, that is known as iterative. Iterative means it is repetition of the statement. If this condition is true, then S1 is executed, then S2. Then again it is going to change the condition. If it is true, then S1, S2. Then it is going to again change the condition. If it is true, then S1, then S2, then condition. Here I have written one of the program. Just I want to instruct that how the lines program is running sequentially. Here you see, this is the first line I have written, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth line. I have written this as fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh line. I have made this as eighth line. Because of the lack of the space, I have made, if x is greater than y, I have made it as 8th line. This is 9th line. And this is 10th line. This is 10th line. Else part is 10th line. This is 11th line. This is 12th and this is 13th. See how the program is running sequentially. First of all, this statement will be executed. Then this statement braces. Then this third statement is executed, then fourth, then this declaration part is executed. As we have seen that x and y are of type integer. X and y has been stored in type of integer. Then it is initialized or the values are assigned. And then x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 10. Now I am going to the 8th line. This is up to 7th line. This is 8th line. 8th line, in the 8th line it is given that if x is greater than y. If x is greater than y means x value is 5 and y value is 10. What will happen here? That 5 is not greater than 10. 5 is not greater than 10. If this condition is false, then this statement will not execute. System.out.println x will not execute. This statement will be skipped, means it will be directly going to else statement. 8th to 10th, 9th line will be skipped, else, and then else statement is executed, means system.out.println y value is 10. So the output you will be getting is 10, and then this 12 and then 13. When I am repeating once again what is happening here, that x value is 5 and y value is 10. 5 is greater than 10. It is not true. Means if this condition was true, then this statement would have executed and it would have flowed to 12th and 13th. But what is happening here? 5 is not greater than 10. Then this statement is not true. This statement will not execute. 9th line will not execute. It will be directly going to 10th line. And then 11th line will be executed and it will be going to 12th and 13th. Suppose if I am taking the value of x is equal to 15, what will happen here? 15 is greater than 10. 15 is greater than 10 means this line will be executed, because this statement is true, means x value will be getting 15. And from here it will be directly moving to 12th line and 13th line. Means after executing 8th and 9th line, it will be skipping 10th and 11th line, because this condition is true, means this line will be executed, and after that it will be moving to 12th and 13th line. Now sequential, or we can say selective on the basis of certain condition. Means some lines are skipped, but you must have noticed that if this condition was true or this condition was false, means the redirection point is always same. After executing this statement, it is going to 12th line. After, if this statement was false, means this and this were executed and it was going to 12th line only. Means if this either the statement true or the statement is false, it will be going to a common point, that is 12th line or 13th line. Now on the basis of if statement, we will be discussing about if statement. Some certain conditional expressions are there. If condition is true, then it will be executing S1. If condition is false, we are not executing anything. We will be redirecting directly to the end of the if statement after execution of if statement, and then it will go into S2 statement. From here you will see it by example. I have taken the value of x is equal to 6, x and y. If I am taking x is equal to 6, 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5 means it will be executing this statement. 6. X is 6. It will be executing x is equal to 6 and it will be going to this, and then last line is this part. Or if I am taking x is equal to minus 6, this statement is not true. Means this statement will not be executed. X is equal to minus 6 if I am taking. This statement is not true. And this statement will not execute as this condition is false. It will directly go into this line and this line. That only I am explaining that if condition is true, I have to execute something. If condition is false, I am redirecting directly to the line after the if statements. Some of the lines after the if statement I am directly redirecting. If the condition is false, I am skipping these two lines and redirecting to the this part. This is if statement. Now certain if else statement. This is two-way, means either the condition will be true or false. In this way you will be seeing that if condition is true, then S1 is executed and it is redirected to S3. If condition is false, S2 is executed and redirected to S3. Just I have discussed that if condition was true, then a 9th line was executed and redirected to 12th line, because it was skipping 12th and 10th and 11th line. Why? Because if this condition is true, this will be executed only and it will be redirected to 12th line and then 13th line. If I am saying about this part, else part, if this condition was false, then this part and then it is redirected to 12th line. That is the use of if and else statement, means true or false. But you will be seeing that both the cases is having some statements to execute. In this case, it is false part is not having any statement to execute. Only if part is having statements to execute. This is if and else. We will be discussing about the third part, that is nested if else. That we will be discussing, and this is iterative. I have discussed iterative. We will be discussing later about this, that how to make the statements iterative. Okay, now we will be discussing some of the programs related.